Hey guys, it's Cosmic Cubing, and I have a pretty small unboxing today. So, this package is flat. I'll show you why. Okay, here we go. The 1 centimeter Rubik's Cube. That's so much smaller than I was expecting. Okay, let's take it out of the package. I need to be careful with this. So I was actually not expecting it to be this small, even though it's only 1 centimeter. Here we go. My God. Oh. Why does this turn good? Okay, it's not that bad. Here's my 1x1. Compared to this is like a 3x3, and this is like a 10x10, and this is a 3x3. Like a regular size 3x3. And here's my normal 3x3. That's tiny, holy crap. But yeah, this surprisingly turns well. I will be doing a few solves on it. My goal is to get sub 20. Sub 20 with this. Wow, this is so cool. So when I ordered it, I was actually expecting it to feel like this size. Actually, I'll go get the GAN 330 for another comparison. Okay, so we have a 3x3. Well, the GAN 330, which is a 30 millimeter, or 30 millimeter, I think, around there. And this is the 1 centimeter. It's actually the exact same size as one of the pieces on here. Like, that's actually kind of impressive, like, exact same size. So yeah, so far this video has just been comparison and how small this cube really is. Let's scramble it. I might actually have to only go for sub 30, because I don't think I can get sub 20 seconds on this. Like, oh my gosh. I don't even know if sub 30 is possible. Let's see. So that's really all I have to say about it for now. It's a really, really smooth turning cube, surprisingly. Like, for this, like, look at that. Will it focus? No, it won't. There we go. Yeah, look at that. That's so cool. It's insanely light also. I need to be careful with that, though. Oh, focus. Come on. There we go. Okay. So yeah, it's scrambled decently well. Let me flip my camera, and let's get into the solve. Okay, so we have my RS3M 2020, the GAN 330, which was my smallest cube, and now this little guy. Let's get on my timer. I have not cubed today, so this is probably gonna be really slow, but let's inspect. Okay, not terrible. I'll probably speed through this solve a little bit. Come on. Yeah, I was gonna do a sub 20 second challenge, but I don't think that's happening today. Because it took 20 seconds for the cross. .207. Yes, sub 20 is not happening. But yeah, 2 minutes and 7 seconds on this for my first solve. Not terrible. I actually really like this. Now let's do, oh, this feels like gigantic. Now let's do a normal solve on this one. Let's see how much it's affected my times. Oh, Again, 330. Let's go for sub 20 on this. Okay, 19.17. So, yeah, this is insanely small. Like, in comparison to my 1x1, it's really small. And, I'm only doing, I'll do one more solve, why not? Well, I don't want to lose this. Drop it, okay. I'll do 1 or 2 more solves on it. I'm going for sub 2 minutes on this. Wait, what was it again? No. Yes! 138. That's probably the best time I'm getting on this thing. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. And also, thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I think I hit that like 2 days ago. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. So yeah, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.